शौकत खानम अस्पताल के चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर डॉक्टर आसिम यूसुफ ने बानी पीटीआई की सेहत को बेहतर करार दिया है। कहा कि बानी पीटीआई का इलाज करने वाले डॉक्टर से 40 मिनट तक गुफ्तगू हुई। बीमारी में बेहतरी आई है। गुज़िश्ता रोज दोपहर को भी बानी पीटीआई को चेक किया गया था।
बानी पीटीआई को खुद नहीं देखा, मुझे और डॉक्टर फैसल सुल्तान को हेल्थ केयर में हिस्सा लेने की इजाज़त दी जाए। बानी पीटीआई का मजीद इलाज शिफा इंटरनेशनल अस्पताल इस्लामाबाद में किया जाए।
Night at approximately 9:45 p.m., I spoke over the telephone to the two doctors based in Islamabad who are currently treating Mr. Imran Khan for his eye condition. I asked my colleague, Dr. Asim Mirza, a retinal specialist based here in Lahore, to join me for this conversation, and he was kind enough to do so. Our conversation with the doctors in Islamabad lasted approximately 40 minutes. During this time, they provided us with the background of when they first saw Mr. Imran Khan, what his symptoms were at that time, what investigations he has had so far, details of the treatment that they have given Mr. Khan up till this point, and what their plans are for future treatment and follow-up. Their latest assessment was yesterday afternoon, and based on this, the results of their investigations and this latest assessment, they told us that in their view, Mr. Khan had shown significant improvement as a result of treatment, and his vision had improved significantly as well. I would be extremely happy if I was able to confirm that this was the case. Unfortunately, because I have not seen him myself and have not been able to participate in his care or to talk to him, I am unable to either confirm or deny the veracity of what we have been told. I would appeal again to the authorities to please allow me or my colleague, Dr. Faisal Sultan, or ideally both of us, as well as physicians, retinal specialists nominated by Mr. Imran Khan's family and based in Islamabad, to be allowed to see Mr. Khan and to participate in his care, and most importantly, that all further care be carried out at the Shifa International Hospital in Islamabad, which we feel is appropriately equipped and of a suitable standard to ensure that Mr. Imran Khan gets the best possible care.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।